Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I want to show you how I am making money from the scratch. Today, I'm going to create a poster and put it on my Pinterest so I can have a lot of traffic in my website, in my books. I'm going to show you. You'll have to sign up for the Canva. I'm using Canva.com as you can see. So now I go for poster. I click and select the templates there. The best thing about the Pinterest is it is going to give you the linkable links. So when the customers see your post, they can click there. Let's say now I choose these templates, then I am going to edit here. Let's say I write learn Excel from the scratch, free with us. Then I decrease the size here. Decrease the size scale, decrease the size here. I think this one is okay. I'll take it up. At, I can put my photo here. Let me go and put photo, my photo there. So, where is my photo? Let's see, I need to put this one. Yeah, I need to put this one there. That's my photo. So, here. So, 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 so. Again, let me see if I've got another photo. Okay, here I can put this Excel template here or this one, like this one. Yeah, let me make this one and like this one. Then share it to Pinterest. Mastering Mass Excel from this crash. Then with us by clicking the link below is free. Why wait? Why wait? Grab the opportunity. Learn with us by clicking the link below is free. Why wait? Grab the opportunity. Then here you put the linkable. I'm going to search for my my link to Udemy. My link to Udemy. Ta-da. Let me copy and paste my link from the Udemy and put it there on the Pinterest so people, whenever they click there, they will go straight to my courses. They'll go straight to my course. It is here. I need this link, this one, the last one. Yeah. I highlight it, copy it, and I go straight to the Pinterest here. I put it here, paste, then publish. I'm now preparing a design. I'm publishing it to my Pinterest account. And now I check for my post. It has been published now. Let's go there and check for it. You see, it's now on, it's now live. That's the post I just, you see, whenever they click here, uh, you see, it's clickable. Let's go there and click this. Let me see first. I'm clicking that clickable link there. It is taking me to my Udemy account where I'm selling that course. You can see it's now opening. Wow, I've got 34 students now. Wow, wow, you see how this is working. 34 students now because of the Pinterest. Guys, why wait? Please, please use Pinterest to, let's go and see the impressions and the analytics. Let's see the analytics for my Pinterest account for the last 30 days. You see, that's how my Pinterest account is going. You see, that's how it is going. It is going up, 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 up. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. You can see mastering online marketing, organic, your pins is 17 views. You can see that's how we do it. So, in that way, I'm saying, guys, I'm just showing you bit by bit how I do money online. You just design uh, the poster and share it to social media. You can even share it to Facebook, LinkedIn, but I decided to show you only now on Pinterest. And you've seen how I do it. And now I've got 34 students on Udemy selling the creating the course because you can even go there yourself. Remember to subscribe, share, and like, comment on my channel so you can see whenever I upload new videos so you can make money online. I'll show you on Amazon too next time. Welcome, welcome.